So what it was, during the week I did an ATC card for Crafting Divas 300 subscriber giveaway, and I actually done a design which I'm going to insert a picture of here. And the way that I done it was using these piñata inks. Well, they come in lots of different colours, but the kit that I got came with these colours here that I'm taking out, and I'm just using a Poundland sort of like makeup little thing to hold them in, because I just think it's easier. And it came with all these. It comes with yellow, blue, green, purple, pink, orange, gold. And they call this gold, I forgot the name what they call it, but or something. It had a slightly different name, but yeah. And white and a black. So yeah, these were the ones I got. Now I do know that they come in different colours and they have different packs. This was a starter pack. And I think it actually said starter pack on the packaging. I don't have the packaging anymore, I don't believe, so I can't show you that, I'm afraid. But yeah, today I'm just going to do some crafty bits with these and just using some different materials to get different effects. And I'm going to be using some doilies and some photo paper to create these sort of like little art pieces that I can use in my crafting on cards and ATC cards and journaling and all my even my planners, or using even to cut die cuts out of and things like that. I think it can sometimes give a really interesting effect. Know how the colour comes out. I've just done a little tester on the nib there so that come on, there, can you see that one? This is the purple one, just so that I know how the colour comes out. So yeah, so craft along with me. Also forgot to say that you do need to protect your surface, because basically you can it does stain.
Sing a favorite song and the world may sing along. We can brighten every day with the things we do and say. Just be happy, happy. Just be happy, happy. La di da di da di da. La da da di da di day. Just be happy, happy. Just be happy, happy. La di da di da di da di day. So clap your hands now and just be happy. Do a dance now and just be happy. Whoa. Make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh a while now and just be happy. Whoa. Let the music play and your worries wash away. Such a simple way to see how the world was meant to be. Hey, just be happy, happy. Just be happy, happy. La di da di da di da. La di da di da di day. Just be happy, happy. Just be happy, happy. La di da di da di da di day. Clap your hands now and just be happy. Do a dance now and just be happy. So make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh around now and just be happy. Every chance along the way, and every moment through the day, make a choice to hear your voice reach out and say, okay, let's play. Just be happy, happy.
So sometimes my favourite medium can be some baby wipes with a couple of dots of the ink on, and then just start stamping away or smoothing or creating swirls. You get some really good effects.
And make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh a while now and just be happy.
The inks themselves can be used to actually draw with. So as you can see here, I'm actually just drawing some squiggly lines over the pattern that I've already created with the gold.
And make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh a while now and just be happy.
I just call this my pour technique. So what you can see me doing is adding some ink, and then what I usually do is with the rubbing alcohol, I just pour it over the paper, move it around, get the ink moving, and then add some more ink and pour some more rubbing alcohol till I get the desired effect.
And make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh a while now and just be happy. And make a smile now and just be happy. Laugh a while now and just be happy.
Yeah, it's rather a messy but satisfying activity, and as you can see, you can create lots of different artworks, and I believe that the ones at the top here look like petals and can be cut out and made into flowers.